Let's study page replacement algorithm. Before we do so, we need to clarify the meaning of frame allocation algorithm and the page replacement algorithm. Frame allocation algorithm is to determine how many frames we want to give each processor. The same number of frames to process, or some higher priority processor we want to give more frames. That should be determined. In doing so, we need to give the fair distribution of resources and the balancing of those resources among processes. Page replacement algorithm is when we run out of available frames in the memory, which frame we want to replace. So we want to have lowest page fault rate on both the first axis and then re-axis. So that is the goal of page replacement algorithm. On this slide and the next several slides, we are going to study page replacement algorithms. Then we need to have some means to evaluate the algorithms. So how do we do so is we run the algorithm on a particular string of memory references. We call it as a reference string, and then compute the number of page faults on that string. Here is the example we are going to use. These are reference strings, not actual addresses. Page 7, page 0, and the like. If a sequence of page reference comes like this one, then we can evaluate each algorithm, how many faults it occurs. So string here is just the page numbers, not full addresses. And the repeated access to the same page does not cause a page fault, of course. But if the page is not in the frame, it causes a page fault. So the results depend on the number of frames available. To our common sense, if we have more frames available, then we will have less page fault. However, we have some interesting thing happens. So this is our normal expectation. If we have a more number of frames available, each process or the entire computing system, then the number of page fault should decrease. But very interesting anomaly occurs. This is not always true, depending on the algorithm or depending on the reference string. As we increase the number of frames, the number of page fault may increase. A very interesting anomaly may occur. So we are going to study those in the next several slides.